Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a dish you probably all know, Pao Chicken. It's tangy, a little spicy, and super flavorful. Just look at this, juicy chicken, glossy sauce, and these crunchy peanuts on top. Doesn't that look amazing? Alright, let's get started. I'm using chicken breast today, but if you've got chicken thighs, they will be even juicier. Just slice the breast in half to make it thinner. Then cut it into strips and into small cubes. Now let's marinate the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Mix it well with your hand until it feels a little sticky. Then add half an egg white. Mix again until it's sticky. And finally, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Coat it evenly. Seal it with just a drizzle of oil and let it rest. Next, slice up cucumbers. Now let's make the sauce. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 80 milliliters of water, and half a tablespoon of potato starch. Give it a good stir and set it aside. We will also need some roasted peanuts, plus ginger slices, garlic slices, and dried chili peppers. All the ingredients and measurements are listed down in the description, so don't worry if you missed something. Okay, let's start cook. Heat some oil in the wok. Check the oil temperature with chopsticks. Once it bubbles immediately, it's ready. Add the chicken, let it sit for a moment. Then gently break it apart. Once the color changes, take it out and drain the oil. Leave just a bit of oil in the wok. Then add some Sichuan peppercorns to release their fragrance. Toss in the ginger, garlic, and dried chilies. Give it a quick stir until fragrant. Add in the cucumber and let everything come alive in the wok. Now bring the chicken back in. Pour in the sauce and stir until the chicken is coated beautifully. Toss the peanuts in. Finish with a tablespoon of chili oil for extra aroma and color. Stir everything together, and that's it. Ready to serve. Look at that! The chicken is glossy, every piece coated in that rich sauce, with pops of peanuts and chilies. A little spicy, slightly tangy, and perfectly balanced. Let me taste one bite. This is so good. Tender chicken, crunchy peanuts, and that sauce is just irresistible. If you usually order this dish from takeout, you should definitely try making it at home. It's simple, delicious, and way more satisfying. Thanks for watching. See you next time.